Hi, I'm Mal from the Bistoury. Today we're here at the LVC offices, our new purple offices. It's back to school time for the kids, which means it's back to the office time for grown-ups. Something like that. Today we're going to show you our favorite office supplies from LVC staffers. We're here with Britt, our PR coordinator, to see what her favorite office supplies are.
All right, Mel, there's so many for me to choose from. But first of all, I have to have my snack box. Next, I love Post-its. I keep them all over my desk, helps me to keep organized.
Next, we're here with Emily, our online editor and copywriter, to see what she likes to put on her desk.
My favorite things at the office are the things that make me feel like I'm actually not at the office. So we've got softer lighting and my really inspirational artwork from Georgia O'Keeffe.
She's the creative one of the bunch. Finally, we're here at my desk for my 3 favorite office supplies. First of all are these notebooks by Thomas Paul. I am obsessed with them. Next, Sharpies. I think I have literally every color that's made. And finally is my label maker. I love labeling things. Thanks so much for watching. For more info on our favorite office supplies, log on to lebistoury.com. Keep living the darling life, the cherished life. Hey, back to work.